flyer, run rate of close to 8, and from here on you look at the team targeting close to about 165, maybe 170 as well if they can cut loose with wickets in hand.
They've lost only one. Ideally, you would like to double that if you've lost about 3 or 4 wickets. But now I'd like to add another 20-30 runs to it. So if you're 80, I'd like to score at least 100 in the next 10. Look at 185, 190 if you can bat well.
It's an interesting scenario. Given this pitch, which is conducive to batting and a smaller outfield, yes, you never know. Maybe 180, 185, 190 could be a possibility.
Aditya is the new bowler. He's conceded one of his first ball. Down the long on region. Dhruv is playing well, and so is Manjunath. Manjunath is getting a little greedy. That's the feeling that I get when you're only a stroke away from getting to your half century. You don't want to take chances, but then such is his strike rate, 141, 142. He can afford a couple of dot balls.
And now does the right thing, rotates the strike. He's looking for the boundary ball every over. And that's what you meant by greedy. He's wanting to get the ball to the fence or over. And I think there's no real cause for concern as far as the Karnataka Bulldozers are concerned. They've been put into bat, remember. Oh, the square is so hard. That shot was actually hit into the ground and yet it travelled.
And it's very abrasive as well.
Yes. Now remember, it's a handy start for Aditya. Just given away 3 singles and now make that 4. So it's been pretty much on the button. Talking about Godrej, who are the green appliances partner for the CCL Season 3. They make the most energy efficient appliances. One Watt project, of course, is what is a Godrejian initiative supported by CCL, an effort to create awareness amongst people to conserve energy. Single to end the over, just 5 from it. It's 84 for 1.
Over. Elbow, Ali boy.